Hello and welcome everyone to a new video of me simulating my way to at a funded accounts. As you all know, we're just practicing and simulating more of trading gold until we find that ourselves are learning from our mistakes, progressing, confident to start spending money on a funded account after losing thousands of dollars. So we're going the slow way, not the fast way, because there's apparently no fast way to make thousands of dollars like we all see on Instagram. But anyway, so now I'm picking a random date to trade gold. I'll put this the 27th, yes, and then I'll check if I've traded this date before or not. So this is the 20th of January. Yes, I did that before. Let's try again. 31st of March. 31st of March. Nope, I did not trade that before. So let's go. 31st of March. 31st of March 2025. It was 2025, right? Yeah. Okay. Yes. All right, let's go. So, as we know, we trade pre-London. So it's just after the right there. Right, it's 4 hours bullish. The 1 hour is bullish. 30 minutes is also. So we will be trading 30 minutes. Let's see, do you have anything on the left hand side? I don't think so. Yeah. So we've got our support here. I'll wait for retracement. How big is this range? Alright. I'll wait for a retracement. I don't want to take a buy here because it's already moved, I guess. So I'll just wait for a retracement and take a buy unless it closes below this area. So that's where I can take a sell as well. You can fast forward this. We'll try to only focus on the 30 minutes time frame. Oh, we're just 5 minutes in. Okay, let's fast forward it more. Okay, the 15 minutes is showed a bearish because you're just checking. I'm checking the time the whole time. Hey, pause. Why? What's happening? All right. Now we can see a resistance formed here. That's good. We could trade this range down, but it already moved. But there was a good range to trade. But let's just focus on what makes more sense. if we're taking an impulse entry, which I don't want to do now, but it makes sense to do it now after breaking this, and stop loss there. Usually my impulse entries win rate are not so high, but I see this big rejection is breaking the highs. Yeah, I'll just do 0.5 buy. No, not take profits, just 0.5. Let's leave it here. Let's just see. If it breaks, if it turns red, I'm closing 50%. Let's slow this down. And then okay. Opa, wait. Since you cannot really know how far it will go, since there's no like previous resistance or anything, so you just wait until it moves $5 or $10. So I'll wait until it reaches 3119. So this is, yeah, I think that's enough. That's enough. That's like how much? That's like 40 to 60. That's like 1.5% if we went all in. So now we'll just I mean, I'm just thinking, should I close the whole trade or close like 90%? Let's see how much 90%. Okay, so 90%. Boom. No. Close 50% more. Yeah. We can put this to break even and just let it play. I don't know how to drag this down so I can see more space up there. If you guys know, you can please let me know. Okay, let's fast forward this a bit. Okay, it broke the highs, so it can continue to 3125. Let's see. Oh, wow, that's going. Would have been a good trade if we went with the whole percent. Okay, it's 3127. I think I'll close this here. Right, yeah, close all. Okay, we're up 1%. Not bad at all. We can wait to take another trade. If it goes down here and forms a support there, then maybe we can take a buy. So I'll fast forward this. Otherwise, we'll just go to the next day. Boom. All right, so there is a support there. So our impulse entry worked here, but even if it didn't work, Could have waited for this to go down and flip up, and then this will be 50 pips for 100 pips. Will be like 2%. Okay. Also, there's a big rejection here that doesn't make me feel comfortable for taking another buy here, even though it can still go up, but yeah. So I'm not taking buys here. Exactly. Okay. Now we can check, but no, I don't want to trade here actually, because I don't know, like I always feel like this area, just London, New York Open, just ruins everything. But look, this is 60 pips for 70 pips. Doesn't make sense anyway. There's no enough range. It's not big enough. Even though we would have got some money, but yeah, let's move to the next day. Yeah, it would have worked. Yeah, that's like also 1.5%. Okay, let's go to the next day. Boom, 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 boom. 2 hours before London Open. Okay. It did not wait for us. Why am I leaving this here? Okay. So we have a support, a resistance, and a support. And 30 minutes. Again, if it goes up and closes outside, we can take a buy. If it goes down, we should take a sell. So let's just wait for a candle to close, because I'm not taking impulse entry here. Okay, I'll fast forward this. Or did it break its own low? There'll be impulse entry. Oh, we don't want that. Let's wait for it to close first. And if it doesn't close and goes all the way down, we'll wait for it to go up and then take it back down. Let's fast forward this. Okay, that's still inside the range. I'll fast forward the next one. Boom. Boom. So if we have sold here, we would have been stopped. So there was no way to. Let's check 15 minutes. Was there any confirmation? Not really. Not really. Okay, back to the 30 minutes. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. I'll be waiting for a green candle. Let's fast forward. Okay, that's a green candle. But the problem here is that huge stop loss for 1-to-1. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. I'm trying to be careful this time. Big stop loss. 15 minutes. 60, 200. Yeah. But also I want to avoid 15 minutes. Yeah, we could take a buy here in the 15 minutes, but I'm not sure. It makes sense actually. But I don't want to trade 15 minutes. Someone said, wait, there's also 2 minutes left for this. Oh, just the 15 minutes, yeah. Someone also said, if you're not sure, you can take a 0.5%. Wait, and from here to here, that's also 100. And from here to here, that's also 100. I don't know. Well, if we have put the stop loss here, we're still in the trade. I'm also trying to learn while trading as well. So, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Boom. Okay, 30 minutes has closed. It's closed bearish, forming a range. And it's London open. And it's London open. I don't want to do impulse trade if it breaks this low, but we need also to see a wake up, right? Wake up first. Okay. There's no volume. It's nice that it's nicer to take less trades if you're gonna make money. Okay, it's breaking the low. And it's London open. Should we risk it? Again with the by the way, you can play the videos speed 2. It's much better. I mean, the video, if it's 1 hour video, you can watch it in half an hour. That's just amazing. So I feel like I want to take this sell because it's London open and the price is going down and it's breaking this low and from the wick, and it's 30 pips away for possibly 50 or more. Let's go. Let's try and write it down if we ever lose this trade to avoid more of the impulse entries. If it flips, I'll close 50%. Oh my god, that was too fast. Okay. See? We were not sure. Whenever there's a but, you should not trade. We wait for a candle that closes in our direction. Okay, it formed a lower low. And it peaked out. This is something I noticed, that if it peaks out of the range, then you can take impulse entry. If it does not peak out yet, then you should avoid it. I'm not making this up while I'm trading. This will be our second trial, okay, and only trial. Let's go. Let's see if the peaking works or not. Why does it keep freezing? Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Yep, 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 yep. 60%. Should I let it go more? But I see something here. Let's close percentage. Let's close 85. Let's leave like $10 percentage. So let's close like 90. Will that leave $10? Oh, left $5. All right, break even. Hey, break even. And let it play. Let's fast forward this and close it when it reaches around here. If it reaches around here. So what we learned is that this was still in the range. We only do impulse entries when there is a candle peeking out, checking the way if it's a good idea to keep going or not. Yeah, let's fast forward this more. Okay, let's move this stop loss. So, like right there. I think that's good. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Okay, that's good for today. Do we have other more opportunities? I don't think so. Wait. Okay. There's a candle peeking to the upside. That's a huge stop loss now, so I'm not interested in that. Not interested. Not interested. Not interested. It's just ranging. Well, that peaked outside, but there's also not enough range, so there's no trade. Yeah. Yeah. So if this was the range, right? And this candle, like between these two, this and this, and we put the support here, and now this candle peaked outside. Now, a new candle forming. I want to check if it had time to. No, it didn't have time. Well, it actually did. Wait, I'm not gonna. I'll trade it just to check to see how much it would have won, but I'm not gonna add it. I'm going to delete it later. Okay, let's see. So it's peaked. If it breaks the low, you should take a sell. I'm just playing now, huh? Once it breaks the low, or actually we can do that. I want to try it. Sell stop. Huh? How to do that? Sell. I'm actually not sure. Oh, pending order. Okay. sell, stop. Okay, this is stop loss, this is yeah, accept. Right, we're not in a trade yet. Let's check. Yeah. Okay, it's activated, and then let's fast forward this. We would have been up like 4%. But this is out of our trading time. That's good, right? Just waited for it to create a wick, and then wait for it to break its own low, and then take a trade. 4%. So the way to delete this is just to go back. Boom. Yeah. Okay, next. Okay, it's not there. Tuesday. And we're up 1%. We lost, let me write this down. We lost won twice, and we lost once. Okay, nice. All right, so let's check just the daily. Big rejection. Looks, I mean, it's still bullish as well because it didn't break its own low, right? Didn't break the, so it's in the middle. In the middle, and we're not sure. The 4 hours, is bullish, even though there's a red candle, but it closed, didn't break here, so the trend is still bullish. 1 hour, reaching close to here. 30 minutes. Okay, now. Hey. Now let's delete everything. Alright. Let's put this right there. Let's put this here. Okay. Let's play 30 minutes. So there was a resistance here that was broken. It went through twice. So it's not really important, but let's just leave it here. I'll fast forward this candle because we're just waiting now for a range to trade. Either it breaks below this or a green candle forms somewhere here. Hopefully not here because it confuses me more. I like it if it's here. So let's fast forward this. Boom. Nothing. Let's forward the next one. Boom. I mean, that's huge stop loss. 100 pip. For 100 pip. No. We don't like this. We need more range. If it closed like here and then like here and then it's like 50 for 160, yeah. But now 100 for 100, no. So I'll fast forward, right? Okay. Now there's a support here, which is a good thing, and a resistance here. But we will leave it here because this is ready to close. Now we would like to see maybe a candle forming here so we can take a buy. So, and is this a good range? 40 to a 50. No, I think it's too tight. I prefer more clear range than, you know, like see below this area. there's clear range. Yeah, below this area there's clear range down. So I prefer to trade below this one as well. Okay, I will fast forward this candle. Okay, nothing, but it peaked. It peaked. It peaked, and it's London open. Let's see if our strategy will work. The candle peaking, impulse entry. If it doesn't break this, I broke it. Okay, then we're not interested now. So I'll fast forward this. Boom, 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 boom. Let me know if I should play music. No, I don't close outside with this huge wick. Yeah. Okay, good. No volume, London open. So I have to wait till pre New York. It's breaking the highs of the peaking candle. Should we take a buy? I don't know. I don't feel like it because it's not looking good. Even if it goes all the way up, then we miss a trade. That's okay. Today we're practicing missing trades. Even though it's very hard to do that, but yeah. So the strategy should have worked, but I didn't like this candle. Okay. Now we have a new range here and there. I'll fast forward this. Okay. I'm not gonna take a buy, of course, because it already moved a lot. So I'll fast forward this. Okay, broke this, so we have another support here. Fast forward that. Boom. Boom. If this was a good looking candle, I would have definitely taken sell. Definitely. So I'm not taking sell. I hope I don't change my mind. Okay. Now we got a support here, and we're pre-New York, and we still did not take a trade, and it did not peak outside, so we will not take impulse entry based on our little secret. Boom. All right. This is 40. This is 100. I am taking this sell. Take profit right there. Let's go. This looks much better than this. This gives me confidence that we can go down, right? And we go down like just easily. Hit it. Hit it. Ah. It's a lot nicer now to trade without losing for stupid things. So yeah, where's the last stupid thing we did that we lost? Where was it? Was it this one? No, this was a win, right? Which one did we lose? And this also was a win. So which one did we lose? Yeah, it was this one, I guess. We took a sell here and we lost it there. Why? Because it did not peak outside yet for impulse entry. But when it did again, because this peaked outside, then we took the entry. Let me know, guys, if it works for you as well. Usually say if it's a Friday, if it's a Wednesday, then you should leave your trade on if you're already making money. But we didn't make enough money. But usually on Wednesday it just keeps falling. That's what they say, really. I don't know. I haven't checked this before. Let's see. Well, not this time, I guess. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, it keeps falling if you take the trade in pre-London or London Open until New York Open. Yes, but since we already got it here. Anyway, we got our trade. And let's keep going. And hopefully we don't do any stupid mistakes. You know? I mean, if you take a trade and it doesn't go the way you want it to go, then it's okay if you follow the plan. But what annoys me is when I do mistakes. I'll be like, why did I do this mistake? Okay, 4 hours. It's still looking up, but confused. That was the daily, the 4 hour. Closed by forming a resistance here. And let's erase everything. The price is crazy these days. Any news? Today, 9:30. Oh, this is not USD. Okay, no news today. 1 hour. I hate when this happens. It's just it confuses me more. 30 minutes. Right, I'm glad we have a support here to base our trades on. Because now you have resistance, support. What? It just confuses me. We could say that this is a resistance, but this is too close, so we're not taking. So we will use this as the main resistance. So if it closes below here, we're taking a sell. Nice. If it forms because this is a big range now, if it forms a green soldier here, then we will take a buy. But yeah, we also have this minor support. Yeah. Let's see. So since we won't do anything here, so we just fast forward this 30-minute candle. Boom. Alright. This is 100 pip. And this is less than 100 pip. And this is 260 pips. I would wait, because I'm not confident in this trade. I'll wait for it to go down to create a resistance for it to go down. Yeah. Or yeah, this sometimes confuses me. This sometimes confuses me. That sometimes, because we have a resistance here. Okay, let's leave this here. and we have a support here. Okay, so should we, okay, this is a 70 pip for 170, so this looks good, but this candle looks weak. So even if we miss it, it's okay. We just want to take trades this time on candles that looks fine, looks good, right? So we will erase this one. Let's try to make more sense of our trades, even if it will go our way, because you never know, right? Okay, wait. Sometimes they use this as a impulse entry if it breaks the body of this one, but no, I don't want to do that. It's not the kind of impulse entries I want to be involved in. Let's imagine that we put a sell here. Let's fast forward this. Please stop my imaginary sell, so I feel that I'm right. Okay, 9 minutes. Wait for us. Wait for us, pussycat. Let's fast forward this. Okay, this is a candle that is at support. But there's a huge wick here that it might want to fill. So, and it's a high volume time. And this is 120 pip. I mean, this would have been better, right? What's going on? I honestly have no idea. But we didn't take a buy here. I don't know what's going on. We didn't take a buy here. So we did this right. But we didn't take also a sell here, because we were not sure. Now we have this huge wick that it might get filled, and this is 160, 430. It's not enough range. It's not enough range. And also there's a support here. I'm not taking this sell. I should I should not lose my money. So no. So I'll fast forward this. Okay, now we have new information. We have a range. Alright. It's not peaking. And the next candle, there's not much we can do here. I'll fast forward this because I don't want to take a trade. Okay, let's play it and think while playing. I don't want to take a trade if it breaks this high, because this is not peaking, right? And I would prefer if it closes outside. So I'll just fast forward this. I'm not taking a trade here. Alright. This makes me more confused. But it peaked. Right? So, but there's a huge, I mean, the wick is bigger than the body as well. So I would think if it creates a wick and breaks this wick, and if we take a buy here, and this wick is 84 and 140, yes, we can do that. We can take an impulse entry if it creates its own wick, yes. I was hoping for a bigger wick, but we can take that. Okay, okay, this looks better. Now break your own low. And your friend's low. Or is this enough? This is a question. No, I'll wait for the other low to be broken, to be honest. Yeah, let's play it safe this time. Because we're still inside the range. Okay, we're waiting for this to be broken. Or maybe it's going to range, right? Let's fast forward this. It's next. Yeah, this is 50 and this is 60. Nope. Nope. See, it's ranging. It is ranging. Does this count as peaking? I don't know. It's pre-London, pre-New York. Hey. We need a wick first. Yes. Okay. It's pre-New York, so there should be volume. Okay. Let's take a sell. I mean, we're risking 50 for 2%, maybe more. Not bad risk, even if we lose. I mean, it's okay. Yes, keep going. If it goes to... Okay, if it reaches the price again... No, we can wait a bit. Hey. Let's slow it down. Yeah, because this is the 15 minutes closing. Now the new 15 minutes has started. There should be a pump in the price. Yes. Okay. Let's go, senorita. Come on. Push. Okay. We're 70%. Sorry, we're 1.5% in. We're already 4%. That's great. That's great. Should we wait for the wick to be filled? This I don't know. Okay, let's do it slowly and see how it will move. Nope, it's not. Okay, let's close partials. 90%. Break even. And let it hit our target. If it wants to hit it. I'll fast forward. This is too much. Boom! See, Thursdays as well, because remember, Wednesdays and Thursdays until London, until New York open, it keeps going down. Yep, exactly. Yes, until here, and then you stop. The rest, guys, could have made a lot of money here. That's true. That was actually a mistake. Actually, I did. If I closed, I should have taken off the the take profit. Yeah, that was not smart. But look, we're up 4% for the first time. And because you know why? You know why we actually, so this is the main reason why we gained this, you know? Not because of the profits that we made. No, it's not about the profits here. It's about the mistakes, because we did less mistakes. And this is what we should learn from this. You know, doing less mistakes, following what makes sense, and letting trades go without you taking a trade is the magic. And I hope I keep on doing this. You know, I'm telling you that, but I keep doing the same mistakes again. But yeah. So this is, oh, it's still Thursday. I thought that was the end of the week. I wanted to celebrate the 4%. But now we know what works best for us. Wow. So last day, Friday, and we're up 4%. Okay, let's see. Okay, what do we see? We see a mess. I don't see anything, to be honest. The 4 hours is creating lower lows, so it's heading down. Okay, I like this. Okay, I like that. Why? Because it gave me an entry point. On the 30 minutes. And on the, this is a big range, but I don't want to trade that up. I will wait. So we are up 4.5%. Can I check first how many trades it took? Did I put this in? Okay, that was one trade. 2 wins, 1 loss. 3 wins, 1 loss. Because of a mistake, that loss. 4 wins, 1 loss. And now we're here. That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm actually proud of myself. Even if I lose here, I'm actually proud of myself. Not because of the gains, it's because I did less mistakes. I'm not taking trades here. I'll just wait for a candle to form. Nothing. Okay. Now we have this. It has no wick, so it's not really 83. Also for 97 is not a big range. I would prefer if it breaks below here for this whole range, yeah, or above here, right? Doesn't that feel safer? Or if a candle forms there, like a bearish here or a bullish there, then maybe. But yeah, this is all ranging, so I'll just fast forward. Okay, this I don't like, because I'm not sure what to do after all this big move. And this candle kind of peeped. But there's a lot of movement here as well. When was this? That was pre-London. So the strategy also says if it has a lower wick, no wick, then you wait for it to go up. Let's see again. I'm not taking a trade, but I just want to take a look how the possibility of me taking a trade. Okay, the first minute it formed a wick. I would like if it forms a wick after like some time, right? Here, strategy would also say they can take it here, but it's also only the first few minutes with this wick. So, but also we had a bias that's going down, so maybe we could have taken this one, but it's okay. Better be safe. We still have the money, so we didn't lose anything, right? But if it went up and made higher wick, then now it makes more sense to take a sell. If it retests the same low, you know, then maybe I missed it. Only if it goes up and down again, because this is when I would have taken a sell. Let's fast forward this. So far I wouldn't have taken a sell. Yeah, maybe here, I don't know. Three minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't clear. Anyway, okay, next. Nothing here for me. It's raging. Yeah, we were here. I don't know. Let's see how the candle plays. It would be nice if it forms a. Okay. It just broke in the first minute. I don't like this because there's no enough wick at least. I'm not taking a trade here, even if it goes our way. So I'll fast forward this. Okay, green candle forming. Okay, if we said that it's gonna break its own low, should we take a sell? What's happening? No, wait for us. It froze again. Man. I mean, why did it freeze? Should I rewind it? Is it cheating if I do that? Because there's clear range here. Is it cheating? It's kind of cheating, to be honest. But I was thinking, I'll tell you what I was thinking. It's froze again. I don't know what's going on. Okay. I wasn't interested in a sell here. Okay? I wasn't interested here. I wanted a half an hour, the 30 minutes to play, create a wick, yes, exactly what I wanted it to happen here, and then break its own low after time has already passed, not in the first 2 minutes. And what I was thinking about is that to take 0.5%, because I wasn't 100% confident. Sell stop 0.5. I can still lose, by the way. Stop loss here, take profit kind of here, and this, if it breaks its low. Yeah, that was it. Risking 22 for 60. Yeah, let's check what's going on there. It's Friday. This is exactly what I was thinking about. Only if it breaks its low, then we can get in. Boom. Are we in? Yeah, we're in. I can still be stopped out and lose the trade. So it's not really cheating, right? Because if it goes up, I'll close half of it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. closed, bearish. Let's see the next one. There's no upper wick. I want to put this here, just, I don't know, I shouldn't, but because it will confuse me more, but we have a clear range here on the left hand side. But this was, yeah, something to think about. Okay, 11 minutes, that's the beginning of the new candle. It should push down if the trend is down now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if this closes like this, I'll put this to break even, because yeah, should I put it to break even? I'm just thinking this will close like this, and then I'll put the break even here anyway. Oh, close, man. Okay, it's closing. Opa. Okay, now I was gonna put it to break even. Now let's just let it play. He will stop me. It's fine. Boom. Boom. All right, now we have a nice looking candle and a resistance here. Is this enough range? 100 pip for 150 pip. I'll go with a 0.5%. So if we lose, we lose. Let's put this 44. So if we lose, we lose. Wait, stop loss here. Take profit here. Yeah. I'm in the trade, and let's see. Because this is good looking candle, but the range is not big, you know. That's why I put 50%. So, okay, now it's formed a wick, and it's 20 minutes left on the 30 minutes candle. So this wick for me now is a reference. If it breaks its own wick, I'm closing 50%. Boom. Let's wait if it goes down more. Okay, I'm closing 50%. Yeah. Goes down even more. Then you can close more than 50%. Okay, now this is the new reference. If it breaks it, I'm closing another half. And so on. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can fast forward this. Okay. So we see a support there. Now, what we can do is that we can move our stop loss to there, right? Now we're even losing this if we lose. It's pre-New York now, there should be volume. Okay, that's fine, because the 50 minutes is closing, the next 50 minutes starting, there should be the volume now again. Look how the candle moves, see? Okay, if it's the right direction anyway. Clear range. 7, 4, 3, let's fast forward this. Boom. Oh my god. Isn't that beautiful? I'm closing the trade. I'm closing that trade. So we didn't lose much, we didn't win much. Would have been nice if we had the whole 1%. But why did I put 1% is actually a good question. Sorry, why did I put 0.5%? Maybe I should have put the full percent because it makes sense, but I think the range wasn't tempting. No, it was actually like 100 pip for 160. That's 1.5%. That's actually a good way to go. I should have added the whole percent, but that's also another win. So we're 5 wins, 1 loss. That's amazing. What's the win rate here? 6, right? 5 divided 6. That's 83%. I hope that's the case every time. But of course, that's never the case. And we're up 4.6%. Wow. I am proud of myself. And if you do, if you reach a stage like this, you should be proud of yourself, but also do not celebrate it too much, because you should not like, I don't know how to say this in English, like you should not get really feeling down or upset about your losses, and also you should not feel too happy about your wins, you know, because winning is a byproduct of the work you put in. So, but I'm proud of myself that I'm seeing progress. That's what I'm proud of. I'm seeing progress, and I'm not falling into the mistakes. I'm not falling into the mistakes by checking the right range, the enough range to trade, and not the stupid trades to take. I hope I keep on doing this, like in this level of noticing what trades I should avoid and which trades I should take in the next sessions. But it's a big step. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching, and feel free to subscribe if you want. And I hope the voice is working, the sound is working, so this video is not for nothing, but I'll go and document my winnings and my losses and to learn from them. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.